G'day YouTube, just a quick video of my new Ryobi single bevel miter saw. It's a 305mm miter saw. I had a smaller one that I was going to replace, and I bought this at Bunnings. It's about $400 now. I paid a little bit more than that. It's just a power, 240 volt power, 305 single bevel miter saw, so 305mm blade, and just giving you a quick demo of the type of cuts it can do. So I'm just cutting some different types of timber here for you to have a look. You can see there it's quite a smooth cut. I've only done a few cuts with it. It's got a lot of teeth on the blade, so the more teeth you have, obviously the smoother the cut will be. Anyway, that's just a piece of pine I had laying around. See there, it's still a very fine cut blade, so I went up bigger just in case. There, I might as well show you. So you can do some quite large timbers with this, and I'll just try up another piece of, few more pieces. I'm just going to try a bit of scrap laminate just so I can show you how good the blade can cut. Now this is just a piece of rubbish. It's a little bit too big for the saw. So I have to flip it over and just finish the cut, but I'm just trying to demonstrate to you how fine this thing can cut. So I'll show you in a second. Now it's a bit rough in bits. You can see there where I sort of just pointed. You can see that if you try with it, you can cut laminate with it, you know, do really fine work. So this would be great for doing like a floating floor or something like that. You get a really nice cut with everything. And that was just a bit of scrap laminate I had lying around. I was just curious to see, because I've got a Mitre table saw, and I was just curious to see how different it was to that. Obviously I use a table saw for something totally different. Here's just a bit of skirting that I'm putting around various places in the house and just showing you how it cuts that, obviously. Now the single miter versus double miter obviously just means that you can't, you have to flip the piece of timber over. It'll only miter, only bevel, sorry, on one side. You know, it's a single bevel saw, which means it'll only bevel to the left. You can see the sort of gap in the fence there, so it will only bevel to that side. You can miter in either direction, but if you want to do a bevel cut, you've got to flip a bit of timber around. So that's the only disadvantage there, which can be a bit of a hassle if you have to do that. I'm really happy with this. It's, you know, as I said, I've got a Mitre table saw, so depending on what I'm doing, I might use a table saw instead of this. Obviously, if I'm cutting, you know, lengths of timber or whatever, I'd probably be using this for 90% of it. But the table saw does come in handy as well. I'll do a demo of that as well. Alright, cheers. If you click the like and subscribe, thank you.